Yes, hello dear students. We are going to prove in a given equilateral triangle 7AD square equals 9AD square equals to 7AB square, where it is given to us BD is equals to 1/3 of BC. BD is equals to 1/3 of BC. We have made a perpendicular AM, we are writing it. So first of all, I am moving in triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, what I could write, AB square is equals to AM square plus BM square. I suppose it is very clear. Now the value of AM I am going to put, value of AM I am going to put, that I am calculating over here in triangle ADM. In triangle ADM, AM square can be written as AD square minus BM square. Is there any problem in this step? I suppose it is very clear. In this small triangle, I am applying Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse square minus base square. So AM square I am going to put from this particular step to over here. It will become AB square is equals to, AM can also be written as AD square minus BM square plus BM square. Now try to see AB square equals to AD square. When we are looking to the question, what is supposed to be proved? AB is required, AD is required. These two things are required. DM is not required, so we must change DM into something. So DM can be written as BM minus BD. BM minus BD can be written as DM plus BM square. Now let us put the values of these specific things. So AB square is equals to AD square minus DM square. Sorry, BM. BM is half of BC because perpendicular in the equilateral triangle bisects the opposite side. It works as median also. So BM can be written as BC by 2 and BD can be written as, it is given to us. See, BD is given to us. BD can be written as BC by 3 to whole square plus BM. Again BM is half of BC. So BC by 2 to whole square. Now we are going to simplify it. On simplification we will be getting the proof thing, whatever we are supposed to prove. So it will be AB square is equals to AD square minus, I am taking LCM. LCM will be 3 to 6. So 3BC minus 2BC plus BC square by 4. So we are getting AB square is equals to AD square minus BC square upon 36 plus BC square upon 4. Now see one thing, BC is a side of equilateral triangle and we know one concept that all the sides of equilateral triangle are equal. It means BC will be equals to AB also. BC will be equal equals to AB also. So it will be AB square plus BC can be written as AB square by 36 minus AB square by 4 equals to AD square. Why I have changed BC to AB? Because in the proof I want AB, I don't want BC. That's why I am changing BC to AB. And we know that in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. So BC will also be equals to AB. Now we need to simplify it. So I am taking LCM. LCM will be 36. It will be 36 AB square plus AB square minus how much? 9AB square equals to AD square. So this we are getting. Now we need to simplify it. So now rest of the part I am solving over here. 36 plus 1 37. 37 minus 9 is equals to 28 AB square upon 36 equals to AD square. So we can simplify it. On simplification, but we are getting 4 9s 4 7. So 7 times AB square is equals to 9 times AD square. This will be the result which was supposed to be proved. So hence proved. I suppose each one of you are able to understand. See this once more and try to solve this question. This is important question. Last year and before last year, continuously 2 years, this question has come in the board examination also.